And things just don't get any worse for Usher. It happens. So, what's up, guys? K Dub back, and we have another incident happening for Usher. Usher's male accuser claims singer exposed him to herpes at Koreatown Spa. Usher, man. Oh man, it does not look good at all, man. This is worse as it gets, man. You're exposing everybody. Oh my god, I shouldn't be laughing, but goddamn, man. I'm sorry, it does not look good at him at all. So let's see what New York Daily News reported. Wait. Okay. Let's see. A man accused Usher of exposing him to herpes claimed the two had sex at a spa in Los Angeles. Damn, so you're on the low too? The unidentified male accused the R&B star of exposing him to herpes alleges that the pair had sex at a spa in Koreatown, Los Angeles. Usher had refused to take an STD test and admit he had herpes, according to the documents. One man and two women are suing the You Got It Bad singer for millions of dollars for exposing them to the sexually transmitted disease. Three more plaintiffs accuse Usher of giving them herpes. Quantasia Sharpton is one of the accusers who's been outspoken to her battle against Usher, claimed the two had sex encountered at her. I'm sorry, let me read it again. Claiming the two had a sexual encounter at her hotel room. My bad, guys. I read it wrong. I was like, wait a minute. I could have sworn I read this wrong. Sexual encounter at her hotel room in Atlantic City on her 19th birthday 2 years ago. The other woman alleges she had two sexual encounters with the singer and had two twins that were stillborn, according to TMZ. Pretty sure she's gonna lie about. She lied about that as well. Usher's herpes accuser claimed she had video proof of their hookup. The trio claims Usher never told him he had herpes before engaging in the sexual encounter, which is a violation of California law, according to their lawyer, Lisa Bloom. The allegations came after the singer had paid $1 million to a woman who he allegedly infected with the disease. Usher, you one nasty son of a bitch, man. You nasty bastard. In a report by Radar Online from last month that detailed a $1 million lawsuit from 2012, the suit stated that the singer was diagnosed with herpes around 2009-2010. Usher denied each and every allegation in court documents. Usher said he never intended to give anybody herpes. Anyone herpes. Any alleged conduct by defendant, which is expressly denied, expressly denied, was unintentional. His filing in Los Angeles County Superior Court states. Usher divorces his first wife, Tamika Foster, in 2009 and married his current wife, Grace Miguel, in 2015. Usher. Why, man? It's already, bad enough that you got a wife. We got another wife, though, and still, jeez, man. Yeah, it's already bad enough you're already cheating, but you got herpes, man. There's already a case that you infected somebody. Already, and then you got in my phone. Just keep buzzing everywhere. You got somebody that I guess you had sexual encounter, but they didn't get any diseases. But still, man, you could have been locked up for a long, long time, man. Cause herpes is not treatable, man. Well, anybody that has sexual diseases shouldn't be having sex at all, unless you get rid of it. But if you can't get rid of it, then you're a lifetime ban of having, sex again. So, and again, Usher, he also give a man herpes. What? I hope this guy's lying, man. I hope people are lying and just trying to get money out of you, but damn, man, this definitely doesn't look good. I hope it's a hoax. I really hope it's a hoax, man. Because Usher is one of my favorite singers. I'm just gonna put it out there. He is one of my favorite singers, man. And it's sad that, he went to the route that he went to, man. And the thing about his wife too, for him, I don't know about, I'm already, side-eyed about, him having a wife, a recent, a recent wife, but still infected. I don't know how that works. Probably wrapped up like a motherfucker to, fuck, but I don't know how they work at it, how they try to make it work, but if this is true, man, you gave a dude herpes, your career is over, man. It is over, man. No one's gonna look at you the same. People already right now doesn't look at you the same. This looks awful, man. And this makes Lisa Bloom more, Bloom more richer and more, her name's getting out there a lot more. So somebody's getting richer off of your fuck ups. That's what lawyers are for. They're there to protect you and also rip the shit out of you. But again, like I said, I hope. Why is that going back? But again, man, I hope, this is not real. I hope it's a hoax. And the accuser is Laura Helm. Oh, that's the, also that's the accuser that, they're talking about. Sheesh, they sued him $20 million? Sheesh, man. I'm just surprised, Yeah, I'm just surprised how, he knows he's, infected. He's still having sex. Even though the tests say they don't have anything, there's still a chance they could have some. Even though one of the accusers said he got, herpes, and I think she said she's pregnant also, but that was a lie, and she ain't got no herpes. So she lost her credibility, but still fighting. Yeah, I hope this goes. I know that he hopes is gonna go away, but your name's tarnished, man. I'm sorry, it's tarnished like a motherfucker, man. But I wish him the best. So hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.